Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you looking to embrace a healthy lifestyle and discover effective weight loss strategies? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to our website, where you'll find a wealth of information and resources to support your journey toward better health and weight management. Here on our website, we have carefully curated content that focuses on healthy food and weight loss strategies. Let's take a tour and explore some of the critical sections. Our first stop is the Healthy Lifestyle section. Here, you'll discover a wide range of articles, tips, and advice on adopting a healthier way of living. From incorporating nutritious foods into your diet to developing an exercise routine that suits your lifestyle, this section provides all the guidance you need to create a healthier you. Next, we have the Weight Loss Strategy section. Losing weight can be a challenging journey, but fear not. Our experts have compiled comprehensive articles and guides to help you navigate weight loss strategies. Let's click on one of the articles to glimpse the valuable information you'll find here. In this article, you'll discover practical tips, scientific insights, and personalized approaches to achieve your weight loss goals. From understanding portion control to incorporating mindful eating practices, our website offers you the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Now let's dive into the diets section. Within this section, we work hard to provide quality information and create content that is accessible to all. This section constantly evolves, and we publish a new diet every month. This means that inside, you will find many articles that will help you understand how the diet works, cookbooks, and much more. All this information is carefully selected by our experts and made public for you. This section provides you with in-depth articles and resources tailored to different dietary needs. Let's click into one of the diet categories to see what awaits you. Here, you'll find articles that explain the principles, benefits, and meal plans of each diet. You can explore delicious recipes and practical tips to help you follow these dietary guidelines. Last but not least, we have our books section. Knowledge is power, and our latest publications are designed to empower you on your health and weight loss journey. From cookbooks featuring nutritious recipes to guides on sustainable weight loss, our books offer valuable insights and inspiration. Thank you for joining me today on this virtual tour of our website. Remember, embracing a healthy lifestyle and achieving weight loss is a journey, and our website is here to support you every step of the way. Be sure to visit our site and subscribe to our newsletter for exclusive tips, updates, and free resources. By subscribing, you'll receive valuable information delivered to your inbox, helping you stay motivated and informed on your health and weight loss journey. We also invite you to like our Facebook page. Join our growing community of like-minded individuals, where you can connect, share, and engage with others on the same path to wellness. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We regularly post informative videos, delicious recipes, and inspiring stories to inspire and motivate you. So, what are you waiting for? Visit our website, subscribe to our newsletter, like our Facebook page, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with the latest healthy food and weight loss strategies. Together, let's journey towards a healthier, happier you. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to accompanying you on your path to wellness. Remember, there is always time to prioritize your health and make positive changes in your life.